Hello folks, this is Steve AB4EL. I'm headed down this way to look for a crash site. I was talking with Scot at Scot's Garage, which is just a little further down, yesterday, and he told me about some box truck ran into the back of a mail delivery vehicle and just rolled it over up onto a lawn. And he was saying it was on the first property here, and you can see, so I'm looking for it. Oh, I can see it right there. Yep. Hang on. Supposedly, a lot of the mail got tossed out and the person who was driving the mail truck got tossed out of the vehicle too. Scott said that he and another person went running over to help. Oh. A box. You see that? You see that? You see the mark? See the tire mark? So the thing is that it must have been there's a tire mark here, so they must have been stopped for this mailbox and it got hit and pushed sideways and thrown down here. Mud, dirt, and then they might have pulled it out that way. So you can think of somebody delivering mail, stopped at that mailbox and got hit. Now look at the road. How could you miss the person in that lane? And then the vehicle, the truck that hit it is this, my guess is this. The mail truck came down and banged up against that, rolled over, mail was all over and that's where the box truck went. Now, and Scott heard it and came running to help. Now, this is US 64. This is US 64. And that's what happened 2 days ago, apparently. About 2 days ago. And I'm going to say thank you to Scott for running over to help. Steve AB4 just curious to go see what happened. That's what they go through to deliver your mail out here, saying see you in 73.